Right, okay then. So today on my little Excel Xpert videos, I'm going to actually show you how to use the if statement function. So if you have a look under your functions here and have a look at the if, you'll see that it's very, very simply structured. You create a logic test, and if you don't really understand what a logic test is, I'll keep it simple. It's basically just maths, and it really is that simple. It just compares if one value is bigger than the other. So if I were to say 2 less than 3, and in the true I'll actually type it true, and in the false I'll actually type it false. And you can see here it actually identifies that 2 is less than 3. If I change that so 2 is greater than 3, it creates a false. It's really, really that simple. You can even do things like equals. You can do equal to or less than, equal to or greater than, all those basic logical operations. So I'll actually show you this properly in action now using cell values. So if I actually put in here, I'll put in the number 5 and the number 10. And I'll decide that if cell A2 is greater than cell B2, so if I actually finish it, then I'll return true. Otherwise, I'll return false. Okay, and that's dead simple. Now, I'm going to pull this down for a few more cells. And then I'm just going to type in some new values so you can actually see how it actually works it out. So it'll actually go through and it'll compare each of these values against each other. It's really, really simple to how to do an if statement. There's nothing too complex about them. As you can see, 10 and 10 are the same, so it returns false because 10 is not greater than itself. Okay, there we go. That's how simple an if is to do. Now, I'm also going to show you that you can do this with words as well, strangely enough. But you'll see that when you're using comparative values, it can be a bit strange. I'll show you how this works. You see, every single letter that you come across has a numeric value inside a computer. So if hello is a very long word with 5 characters in it, and each one of those characters has a number. So of course a single character on its own is going to be less than a string of characters. If I were to do A and B, don't know why I'm doing it like that, hang on, A and B, you'll see, because A is less than B. CB, as you can see, C is greater than B, so you can actually try things like can and car and can. And as you can see, it actually really, really cleverly can even compare words against each other. That's important if, say, you needed to know if 2 words are the same. You know, if you're wondering if something's been typed incorrectly, or if a value has been given that's the right one. And again, I'll just do hello, and there we go. It's returned a true because I changed that one to ask if it was equal to. It is really, really, really that simple how to use an if statement. Thanks for watching.